Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sell stuff on Sellfy and how to actually use Sellfy. So the first thing you want to do is search up Sellfy like this, Sellfy, and go on the first page here that you see. Then you want to press start 14-day free trial, because you want to start the free trial before you actually buy the subscription, so you know what it's like. And then here I'm just going to enter my details like my first name, my email and my password. This is how you create an account. Then once you've logged in, you're going to see this page here. Here you're going to give a couple details about what you want to sell, how you want to sell it, and just your audience and what in general you're going to sell. Then you can press start 14-day trial. So once you've done that, you'll see the screen here, and this is your dashboard. So here you can customize your store and add lots of different products. Here you see lots of little different things such as products, customers. So on products, this is where I add products and manage products. On customers is where I see my customers and the feedback I'm getting. On orders, I see the orders. It's all pretty self-explanatory. So I'm going to click on products and I'm going to add a new product that I'm going to be selling. So for me, I've chosen to start selling a workout plan. So I'm going to press digital product. So here I'm going to see this and says add product files. This is going to be, if you're doing a digital product, this is going to be the thing that you're selling. So for me, I'll add my workout plan in here. So then here it asks me to enter my product name. So for me, I'll enter gym guide. There you go. And here I'll just describe what I'm selling. Once you've done that, it will give you a little guide thing. I'm just gonna press continue and it just gets rid of it. You can read it if you want, but you don't have to. So for each product, like you see here, it's going to be different for each one. So for subscriptions, of course, it's going to vary. So here I'm going to enter details the same, but you can also add integrations into your store. So these are little apps. So here you can see Google Analytics, Facebook Live Chat, Twitter ads, all sort of stuff, and it will make things easy to sell and manage, which is very good. It helps quite a lot, speaking from experience. But yeah, I'm not going to add any at the moment, but if you want to, you can, and it will help a lot. So after you've added your product, you want to customize your store, which I'm not going to be doing at the moment, but it's each their own, how you like it, do whatever you want with it, make it look nice. But then because we're getting paid from it, we want to connect our payment gateway, which is basically the way that we are going to get paid. Then you can use the currency that you want to get paid in. You can do US dollars, and you can set up a Stripe account and helps accept Google Pay and Apple Pay, and it's much more accessible and it's much more customer friendly. So I would recommend Stripe. You can also use PayPal, but not everyone has PayPal. But yeah, I would recommend using this one. You can also visit your store, which I'm going to do here, and this is the basic one. So this is the very basic layout. You can see my gym guide here. It's all very basic stuff because I haven't customized that all, but yours will look different from mine because you can actually customize yours. And that is basically it. That is how you make money on Sellfy. So thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.